Good day, students. In our today's class, we will continue from where we stopped on circle geometry. So today's topic is circle geometry 2. And we will be looking into angles in the same segment and angle in a semicircle. So the objective for this lesson today is that by the end of today's lesson, you should be able to state the theorem of angles in the same segment, and you should be able to solve some questions related to the theorem. Also, you should be able to solve some questions on theorem of angle in a semicircle and solve some past questions. So now let us look into the first one, angles in the same segment. Now, if you have a circle, now to start with, we are talking about angle in the same segment. So what do we mean by segment? A line called chord. We know that a chord is the line that divides a circle into two different parts. Now this is a minor segment, while this one is a major segment. So what we are saying here is that angles on the same segment, they are equal. For instance, if you have now don't forget your center. Now, what we are saying here is that these two angles, angle A and angle C, they are equal. Also, because of the fact that angle B and angle D, they are on the same segment also. They are on the same major segments in this circle. They are also equal. So that is what we mean by saying that angles on the same segments are equal. If you want to write this now, you can write it like BAD is equal to BCD. So by having this one, we know that this angle is the same to this angle because they are on the same segment. Also, this angle ABC is equal to angle ADC, angle on the same segment. And don't forget, when you write out your answer in this form, you must always write the theory that back your answer. So if you want to write this one now, because when we are still going to solve some problems anyway, but anytime you are solving a question involving circle geometry, you must always state the theorem that back your solution. So let us move to the next theorem. That is, the angle in a semicircle is a right angle. In our previous class, one of the properties of a circle is a line that divides the circle into two equal parts. That is diameter. So in any circle geometry question or shape, in as much you have a line that passes through the middle, the center, and form a triangle. Take note, this angle B is always equal to 90 degrees. And why? The angle we have here, our angle AOC, is equal to 2 times ABC. And the theorem that backs that answer is angle at the center angle at the center is always equal to twice, that is 2 times angle at a point on a circumference. So take note of this. In any exam, once you have this theorem, there will be a mark for this theorem. So we are still going to solve more questions on these 2 theorems today in our Google Classroom. So I want you to join me in our Google Classroom. Thank you.